I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone shows adequate signal and you have enough airtime or data to complete the transaction. Next, verify the recipient number and that you can enter your M-Pesa PIN. An incorrect digit will block the send. Once done, open the M-Pesa app or dial the UST code and reproduce the attempt while watching for any on-screen or SMS error codes. These will guide the next actions. Now perform the actual retry. Try sending via the app, and if that fails, use the UST code to avoid app-specific issues. Then immediately check transaction history and pending transactions to see if the payment is recorded or reversed. This prevents duplicate sends. If the status is unclear, restart your phone to refresh network sessions and only reattempt after confirming no duplicate pending entry. This reduces the chance. Finish by resolving unclear outcomes. If the send still shows error or is stuck, gather time, amount, recipient, and any SMS or transaction ID and contact M-Pesa support immediately. If available, file a reversal or dispute an app or visit an authorized agent with your proof. Make sure to keep screenshots and receipts. These speed up resolution. If support asks you to wait, note the expected time frame and follow up. Persistence often moves stalled cases to completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.